Hey guys, this is Karthikeya Kantwal from Apex Finserv and I'm back with your daily dose of charts for tomorrow's trading session. I hope that you did enjoy the Elliott Wave video that I uploaded yesterday for the regular weekend series. Let me know in the comment section below what would you like me to cover the coming weekend onwards. Now without wasting much time, quickly moving on to what's new for tomorrow. From the equity side, the first trade that we have is a simple role reversal based long on HDFC. Now there are multiple reasons. First of all, of course, we have tremendous buying pressure visible on HDFC as of now. You can see after the the big gap down that was there on the 12th, we have been seeing relentless buying pressure. Now there has to be some pullback. That pullback should be near the nearest available demand zone, or at least until there at 1410. The stop loss going at 1385 and ideal targets 1% on the upside. The second trade that we have is on HCL Tech, where we are simply going to go for a short at a nearest available supply zone. Now to be technical, the supply zone actually starts at somewhere near 1018 or 1019, but we are going to go for a slightly higher level because the price is actually too close to that price. We are going to go for an entry at 1025, stop loss at 1040, ideal targets 1% on the downside. The third trade is on M&M, where we are going to go for a role reversal based long. Now you can see it has broken a strong resistance point at 810, which it has been trying to do since quite some time. There are multiple failed attempts as well, but now that it has, we are going to go for a role reversal based trade exactly at that point. Stop loss going at 795, ideal targets 1% on the upside. Moving on to the fourth is on Maruti. Now Maruti has broken a strong support level at 6750, and there seems to be a successful role reversal to be established as well, but due to lack of clear entry points near the current market price, we are going to go for a slightly conservative entry here at that same swing level. Stop loss at 6850, ideal targets 1% on the downside. The final equity trade that we have is on Jubilant Foods, where again we are going to go for a support based role reversal trade, short at support turn resistance at 2900, stop loss at 2935, ideal targets 1% on the downside. Now quickly moving on to the indices, starting first with Nifty as usual. Now on the charts, Nifty Bay, we have a nice support coming close at 550. It will be approximate values. We have a critical zone at 14620, which if sustained can lead us till 14700. If broken can lead us all the way down till 14500. So I guess it's about 80 to 90 points of a move each side in the least. Now when I talk about the option chain, I have immediate resistance at 14700 with 678,000 added contracts. Significant at 14800 with 927,000 added contracts. Support comes in at 14600 with a hefty 1.2 million added contracts. Significant at 14500 with 837,000 added contracts. The PCR comes out to be at 0.90, which is moderately bearish or little bearish, but nothing special there. On Nifty, I would say for conservative traders, you can go for longs above 14650 or short under 14550, 545, keeping a target of 75 to 80 points each. For aggressive traders, you can watch where exactly the price is opening and how it is interacting with the nearest available zone at the time of opening, and then decide. Moving on to the second index that we have is BANKNIFTY. Now similar to Nifty, we have one critical zone near the price at about 32,120, 32,100. If that is sustained, we might see 32,400. If we have a small gap up or neutral opening and price again comes down from that point, we'll see a down move all the way till at least 31,800 if not more. When I talk about the option chain for BANKNIFTY, I have immediate resistance at 32,200 with 165,000 added contracts. Significant at 32,500 with 240,000 added contracts. Support comes in at 32,000 with 170,000 added contracts. Significant at 31,500, pretty far away, with 450,000 added contracts. The PCR, just like Nifty, comes at 0.91, which means moderately bearish, but nothing worthwhile or nothing special really. For BANKNIFTY, to be honest, I would say wait until the price decisively breaks out of this 200 point range from 32,000 till 31,800. Uske upar you can go for shorts near 32,400 ish or for longs near 31,700. That seems to be a nice idea as of now. But once again, we cannot exactly predict where the markets are going to open, from where the charts are going to start moving. So wait, as usual, wait, learn to wait, be patient a bit in the markets for the first 15 to 30 minutes. Let the charts give you a clear sense of direction. Let the charts give you a clear sense of bias, and then take your positions accordingly. Now this marks the end of tonight's video. These are all the charts that I have to share with you guys for tomorrow's trading session. I hope that your green streak is well alive and running, and that tomorrow you add another number to that streak. As usual, if you like the video, if you like the content that we have been posting, don't forget to support us by leaving a nice comment, liking the video, subscribing, and pressing that bell notification icon as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night. Bye.